Okay, dear students, in this video we will learn about the option called page layout, right? In page layout, one group is there that is called page setup group, the most important part of MS Word, this page setup group. Okay, now in page setup group you will get so many options, and the first four options are very important. One is margin, another one is orientation, size and column. Okay, and the break, line number and hyphenation I will tell you in my next video. Now first thing is that let's go to margin and check the first option. See, when you click on margin you will get several options like normal, narrow, moderate, wide. Okay, like this. Now by default when you open MS Word, the first margin option will be selected as normal. Okay, so this view is called the normal page setup group. Okay, in the margin. Now what does it mean, normal? Now see, when you go for normal option you will get top, bottom, left and right, and it is written 1 inches. Okay, top is also 1, bottom is also 1, left is 1 and right is 1, so everywhere 1 inches gap is there. Okay, 1 inches gap. Now let's check. See, have you seen the cursor here? Okay, the cursor is blinking here. Now the top part of the cursor is 1 inches. Okay, the left side of the cursor is 1 inches, and the, see, this is right hand side. So when you click here, see, one line will be visible. Okay, this is called indentation. Now see the gap, have you seen the gap of the margin? So this is also 1 inches, and bottom also 1 inches. Now you can also change the setting by clicking on the margin option, then click on narrow. Okay, when you click on narrow, now our margin setup is what? Narrow. I have choose here narrow. Now before that it was 1 inches. Now I have reduced the size. I want to write so many things in the page, so I don't want to waste my means the page. That's why I am choosing here narrow. So narrow means by default all the settings will be 5 inches. Okay, top, bottom, right and left. Now see where my cursor is blinking here. Okay, right, this side. Now see, top portion is what? 0.5 inches, left also 0.5 inches, and let's check the right hand side. So this is the indentation. You just click here and hold the click, you will see the again the margin line. Now this is 0.5 inches. So in this way you can change the setting of the page. Right, now the next option is called the orientation. Now when you click on orientation you will get two options, that is portrait and landscape. Okay, portrait and landscape. Now portrait means the when you write some letters, paragraph or any other document when you are making, we will always use portrait option. Okay, and the orientation of MS Word by default it will choose portrait option. Next option is called landscape. Now remember, if you click on landscape, see the page. Okay, see the page how it look like. See, it's quite wide. Okay, quite wide. Now when we will choose this landscape option, remember when we are making any certificate. Okay, certificate in MS Word or any kind of say cards, birthday card or any say Father's Day card, any wishing card that we are preparing in MS Word, that time we will choose the orientation landscape. Right. Next one is size. Now when you click on size, by default it is choosing that letter one. Now always remember, when you'll make any page, that time you have to choose the option called A4 size, because when maximum shops are having that A4 size paper. So if see, letter and A4 size is almost same, but A4 size is better. Remember, when you'll open MS Word, every time you have to choose A4 size sheet. Okay, and the last option is called column. Now by default MS Word is having one column. Okay, Now if you choose 2 column, just check it nicely. If you choose 2 column, the page will be divided into 2 parts. Okay, again I am showing you column, then 2 columns. See, the page is divided into 2 parts. See, this is one margin, okay, and here little bit gap is there. Gap, have you seen the gap? Now again this one. Now you'll understand if you write something here. Okay, see, if you write something here, it is not going extreme right side, because I have divided the page into 2 parts, right? Now if you choose 3 columns, what will happen? See, now the page is divided into 3 parts: first part, second part, and third part. Okay, now let me check. I'm just pressing enter so that you will understand. Okay, let me write something more. Now when the line will over, it will not go to the next page. See, my line is over here. Now it goes to the second column part. When it will end, it will go to the third column part. In this way you can change the setting of the page. Okay.